Move on and get you another breaking update. This is the Fitch Ratings, which has now increased India's growth forecast for the current fiscal year to 7.2%, which is up from 7% that was projected previously in March. Let me go across to Pragya now. Pragya, good morning. The Fitch rating so far looking promising.
Absolutely, and Fitch Global Economic Outlook report that has come out, it has said that the growth rate in India is going to be a very strong 7.2 in this fiscal year. In later years, in 2025 and 2026, it's going to be a little bit slow, but it has also said that investment will go up, and also the consumer confidence has also got a boost. So the consumer spending will be more. So all of that in total, the Fitch has given a strong thumbs up for the India's economic growth, saying that it is going to be 7.2. Remember, this is in line with what RBI was also saying, that RBI, in fact, it had recently said that growth rate in India this fiscal year is going to be at 7.2 around somewhere. So it is exactly towing that line, and in fact, the predictions are going to be hold true for that, and including that, the Fitch ratings, and also apart from the ratings, the Fitch also believes that there is a decline in inflation also. So overall, good signs for Indian economy, it seems, right now, when other economies are still struggling to overcome the COVID effect.
Right, and even when it comes to the estimates that you said have been aligning with the RBI as well, which also projected a 7.2 growth estimate, Pragya, but it is also being noted that the investments will continue to rise, albeit more slowly in the recent quarters.
Well, it comes from the fact that everyone believes that there is a stability in the government, and also this also boosts consumer confidence, and there are investment scopes possibilities as well, be it individual, be it on sector by sector basis. So the investment sentiment is really strong, and that is also a driving force for the economic growth of India. Apart from that, consumer spending is a big getting a big boost, and this is one of the main part of the economic growth as well. So Fitch is also predicting that this is going to happen, and this is the economic growth of 7.2 is a strong one for India as compared to other economies, and this is probably the reason why they are giving a thumbs up for Indian economy.
Right, because Pragya, what is being said that even when it comes to the later years, the growth estimates are expected to slow down, and thereafter a medium-term trend that may follow, indicating that the growth will be driven more by consumer spending and more investment.
You are absolutely right on that count, and in fact this is what Fitch is also predicting, that in 2025, 26 and later in that fiscal year, this is going to be slowed down a bit, and there could be many other factors that will come into play, and in fact ensure that the growth rate won't go down. The government has to look at that, and the Fitch ratings are just a prediction of the growth rate. What if the RBI introduces rate cuts, repo rate cuts, and what if other measures are taken by the government?
So we are still waiting for the budget. As far as Fitch ratings are concerned, it has now raised India's growth forecast for financial year 2025 to 7.2. Pragya, thank you very much for that information and the details.